Alright guys, I'm back in here with the Redskin Runner. Or tobacco poacher probably, I don't know. We're gonna figure out a name. The owner's thinking of something as we speak, but yeah. So now I'm going to set these in, clean up the hardware. This is where we left off last time, polishing this stuff. So I'm going to put the rear swing arm on, the front, well, I'm guessing swing arms, and maybe, well, it's like this here. I don't know if you'll be able to see. You see that? Like all these little tweaks I got to do to make her look good again. So I'm going to get on that, and I'll bring you up when I make some progress. Maybe I'll start from the back and work my way front. We got the handlebars mounted, like I say. I might polish it. I don't know. I think I'm just overthinking it again. But okay, let's get crack-a-lackin'. I'll bring you back when I made some progress. All right, guys. For frick's sakes, I'm gonna take these down. But made a little bit of progress. I didn't get these installed because the battery died on the drill, unfortunately. But I got some of the hardware. Alright. Got the handlebars mounted. There's the knuckle. This guy, I don't know if you can see that. That's how well these 7 and 8 year old girls in China weld. Can't even read a measuring tape yet, and they got them working. Slave labor, eh? And go figure, here we are building one. Shameful on us, but it is what it is, right? We got the engine over here. Get the clutch off. Got it all soaking. Got the rest of the parts here. Electrical, brakes, gas tank, fenders, blah 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 blah. So I don't know. So probably tomorrow I'll do a little bit more progress. I got to charge the drill up. I'll get the suspension working, I think, and I want to get the brake discs. I don't have one in here right now to show you. Or do I? Yes, I do. I gotta clean these up. The brake discs themselves. I got a trick I'm gonna try to do. And yeah, we're gonna clean all this up and garbagey. But we'll get that too, right? There's nothing saying it has to be done in like a minute, right? It's gonna be a decent little unit though. Just take your time. Every part you put on, you clean, you wrench, like right now all this is just loose, but like, you know, just go around when you're all done that section, you know, suspension, tighten everything, move on to the next. But yeah, I think the wiring will be one of the last things to go in after the engine is mounted. The seat and stuff, I got to get my friend to give me a hand with reupholstering it. It's going to need a front clip. The one I got is broken, but it still works, right? Like, we're going to give them a good base to work with, and if they want to upgrade it, they can. They could fix the gas tank. It's got a big hole in it. Well, not a huge hole, but big enough. And the little filler deck is broken off, so clean all these shocks off next. So yeah, we still got a bit of work, but nothing too major. Hopefully we can get all this buttoned up in the next day or two. I think the next video, yeah, I don't know. We will make more progress though. Like I said, I need the wire wheel to clean the bolts before we put them on. We're not putting garbage like that on there. These are all put on. I got Aero Shell Grease 5 on all these bolts to keep everything lubricated and moving. It's good enough for an airplane. I'm sure it's good enough for this. But okay, anyway, you guys got to start sharing my videos if you don't like them. or you like them, doesn't matter. Share them anyway. If you want to just look at a struggling goof, just do it like that. Anyway, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, we'll get back to part 3 will be probably the final video, and then I'll give it back to the people. Anyway, okay, like, share, and subscribe. Scott to Scott, Struggling Goof Garage.